Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not logging in. If you're experiencing issue with logging into Snapchat, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First, you need to restart the Snapchat app. First, open the Snapchat and close it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues as well, or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your phone or tablet can fix temporary glitches causing the login error. And check the internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and the connection is stable. Snapchat requires an active internet connection to log in. You could also try updating the Snapchat app. Go to the Play Store and look out for the Snapchat and make sure you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Check your App Store or Play Store for updates and install them if available. And if none of the above steps, or you can try uninstalling the Snapchat app and reinstall back again. This can fix any corrupted files or setting that may be causing the login error. And if you're still unable to log in, you can contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Provide them with the details about the error you are experiencing, and they may be able to help you troubleshoot the issue. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat login issue and successfully log into your account. Thank you for watching this video on how to fix Snapchat not logging in. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.